Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open the gas tank on a Lexus NX 300. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. First, you'll need to locate the fuel door release button, which is conveniently placed inside the cabin. This button is usually found on the driver's side, often near the lower dashboard or by the steering wheel. A firm press will unlatch the fuel door, allowing you to access the fuel cap. Let's get started. Once the fuel door is unlatched, gently push it open until it's fully extended. You'll then see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and comes off. Most Lexus NX models have a convenient cap holder located on the inside of the fuel door. This prevents the cap from dangling and protects your paintwork. Always ensure the cap is securely placed in its holder while refueling. With the fuel cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening. Select the appropriate fuel type for your Lexus NX, typically regular unleaded gasoline with an octane rating of 87 or higher. Once refueling is complete, carefully remove the nozzle. To close, replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear at least one click. This ensures a proper seal and prevents fuel vapor from escaping. Here are a few important tips for safe and efficient refueling. Always remember to turn off your engine completely before you begin pumping gasoline. This is a crucial safety measure. Also, avoid overfilling your fuel tank. Stop when the pump automatically clicks off to prevent spills and potential damage to your vehicle's evaporative emissions system. For the most accurate fuel recommendations, always consult your Lexus NX owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.